Hello students, welcome to the moral science class. Dear students, in the previous video we were discussing about the family. What is family? What are the important features of a family? And in that today we will move further, and now we have a very nice story, and the title of the story is A Caring Son, where we will see the what is actually the family and how should be the family. Okay, so I'll start. Once there lived an Agrawal family. So there was a Agrawal family. Mr. and Mrs. Agrawal had a daughter and a son. Mr. Agrawal earned good money and therefore believed in good lifestyle. So Mr. Agrawal was doing good work, and for that he was getting good amount of money, and as a result his life was very, I would say, a very standard life, and he was living his life in a very nice way, in a very standard way. He always took the family out for the dinner at a good restaurant on Sundays. So as many of us do, we on Sundays we have a special meal, or sometimes we go and we have the meal outside. So same way this Agrawal family was doing. As time passed, the children grew up while the parents became old. Yes, everybody we have to go through that change of life. Okay, when the studies of the Mr. Agrawal's daughter was completed, Mr. Agrawal married her. Okay, within a few years after completing his studies, Mr. Agrawal's son also got a good job. When the son received his first salary, he gave a handsome amount to Mr. Agrawal. Moreover, he asked Mr. Agrawal, "Dad, today I want to take you for dinner." So his son also he started earning, and and when he received his first salary, he gave to his papa, and he not only gave the salary, but what he did, he asked his papa, "Dad, today I want to take you for dinner." At this, Mr. Agrawal replied, "How can I go, my son? My hands shake so much." Now they grew old, even their hands and legs were shaking. Means his son was asking him to go for dinner, but how he can hold the spoon? How can he hold the fork? So then how can he go for the dinner where so many people are there? But in spite of that, what he told to his father, he replied his father, "Wait, how will I eat? Don't worry, Dad. I will manage." See the beauty. See the beauty of relationship. A son is telling, "Papa, you don't worry. I will manage," said the son. In the evening, the son replied his parents. His son helped his parents to sit in the chair. Even they were finding very difficult, so he himself was helping them. He drove the car and reached the best restaurant of the place. And that city, he took his parents to the best of the restaurant of that place. He helped his father to sit on a table. Then he ordered all those things which his parents liked. Okay. Mr. Agrawal ate the food very slowly. We know that they were very old, and even dropped some of it on his shirt. So because his papa himself told that I can't go because my hands shake. I'll not eat properly as I used to do. So due to that, what happened? Even he dropped some food on his own shirt. Though the other people were laughing at Mr. Agrawal, there were some people, of course, that restaurant was the best restaurant and in that city. So surely there were other rich and VIPs people were there, and they were laughing laughing on this old couple. The son did not feel embarrassed at all. Generally, what happens if I have seen, or you might have also seen in the families, if some parties are there, we generally tell our grandparents or those who are like now very old, we say, oh, go inside, or we tell them to like not to be in the, like when people are there, we just make them to move out, which is not correct. After Mr. Agarwal completed his dinner, the son even cleaned his shirt with the napkin. Finally, he made the payment out of his wallet. As they approached towards the door of the restaurant, they heard a voice. So the son now, the papa mummy, they had dinner and now they were moving. They were just going out. But suddenly somebody called, "Son, don't you think you have left something over here?" On turning towards the voice, the son saw a foreigner old man. So there was a foreigner old man. As I said, that was a very one of the best restaurants. So there were foreigners also, and among that one foreigner called that boy and told, "Son, don't you think that you have left something over here?" But he checked everything and replied, "No, uncle, I have left nothing." Now, but there was a message. At this, the old man said, that foreigner was also a very old man. "No, my child," what he said, let's say hear properly or listen properly. "No, my child, you have left a lesson for all these laughing youngsters and a hope for all the parents." Hearing this, all the laughing people became silent, because that boy was so much loving, so much caring towards his parents, that all no, but in spite of that, the people were laughing, that old couple on his mummy papa, but he did not think about that. But there was one person who was observing that. The old man walked towards Mr. Agarwal's son and said, "I have read about the rich family bonding of the Indian culture, but have seen it today for the first time. May God bless you with all sorts of progress." Then he turned towards Mr. Agarwal and said, "I think you are one of the luckiest persons on earth." Mr. Agarwal smiled and patted his son's back out of affection. So, dear students, generally what happens in our life, that when we move further, we don't care about parents. We think, yes, I know everything and I can do anything, and we forget the hard work they did for all of us. And sometimes because of their old age, because they are not like us, as we are advanced and we are busy with so many gadgets, they are not able to do all those things. They are not that fast because of the age factor. One day we should think that one day you and I also will become old. That time we will realize that that time we will feel that yes, somebody should be there to love. We need to love our parents, our grandparents, and we need to care for them, because when we care for them, we will be cared by somebody else in the future. So we need to respect every person in our family, whether they are very old, whether they are young, whether they are senior to us, whatever. We should have the sense of respect. It is very simple. Unless you give respect, you will not receive respect. Okay, so this is enough in this video, and we complete here. So always please care for your mummy, papa, and especially your grandparents. Be a good person in the family, in the society, and always be a blessing for your family and for our country. Thank you. Goodbye.